Are you curious about language learning apps? Today, we'll compare HelloChinese and SuperChinese to see which one is better for learning Chinese. Both apps help you learn Chinese. They offer lessons, quizzes, and practice exercises, but they have different styles and features. Let's start with Hello Chinese. This app is popular for its user friendly design. It uses fun games and interactive lessons. You can learn speaking, listening, reading, and writing. The app also includes voice recognition to help with pronunciation. Overall, it's great for beginners. Now, let's look at Super Chinese. This app focuses on vocabulary and grammar. It uses a spaced repetition method to help you remember words. Super Chinese also has a unique feature that lets you learn through stories. This makes it engaging and helps with understanding context. It's suitable for learners at different levels. So, what are the main differences? Hello Chinese is more game like and interactive. It's perfect for those who want a fun way to start learning. On the other hand, Super Chinese is better for those who want to dive deep into vocabulary and grammar. When it comes to features, Hello Chinese offers speech recognition and a variety of exercises. Super Chinese emphasizes vocabulary building and story based learning. Both apps provide progress tracking, but the approach is different. In terms of pricing, Hello Chinese has a free version with limited features. Super Chinese also offers a free trial but may require a subscription for full access. In the end, if you are a beginner looking for a fun introduction to Chinese, Hello Chinese is the way to go. If you want to focus on vocabulary and grammar, Super Chinese might be your best choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more language learning tips.